Austin homeowners need windows that can handle heat, humidity, sudden storms, and the occasional chilly winter morning. At the same time, they want styles that complement everything from historic bungalows to sleek modern builds. Double-hung windows continue to be one of the most practical and versatile options for homes across Austin, and for good reason. With their balanced design, energy efficiency, and everyday convenience, double-hung windows offer a smart solution for long-term comfort and performance. Built for Austin's changing climate, Austin's climate brings long, hot summers and mild but occasionally cool winters. Double-hung windows are designed to provide both insulation and ventilation, helping homeowners stay comfortable year-round. Modern double-hung windows feature double or triple pane insulated glass, low emissivity coatings, argon gas fills between panes, tight compression, weather stripping. These features help reduce heat gain during summer while preventing warm air from escaping in winter. The result is more stable indoor temperatures and less strain on your HVAC system, especially important during Austin's hottest months. Flexible ventilation for warm weather. One of the biggest advantages of double-hung windows is their dual sash design. Both the upper and lower sashes can open, allowing for better airflow control. This design offers a unique ventilation benefit: warm air naturally rises. By opening the top sash, you allow trapped hot air to escape. At the same time, opening the bottom sash lets in cooler air. This creates natural air circulation, perfect for spring and fall days when you want fresh air without running the AC. For Austin homeowners who enjoy maximizing natural ventilation when weather allows, double-hung windows are a practical choice. Ideal for a variety of home styles, Austin's neighborhoods feature a mix of architectural styles, from traditional ranch homes and craftsman designs to more contemporary builds. Double-hung windows are one of the most adaptable window styles available. Their clean, symmetrical appearance fits seamlessly into historic homes, suburban developments, new construction properties, renovated residences with customizable grille patterns, frame colors, and finishes. Double-hung windows can match virtually any exterior design. Easy maintenance for busy homeowners. Modern double-hung windows are designed with convenience in mind. Many models include tilt-in sashes, allowing homeowners to clean the exterior glass from inside the home. This feature is especially helpful in two-story Austin homes, where exterior window cleaning can otherwise require ladders or professional services. Additionally, vinyl or fiberglass frames resist warping, cracking, and fading, reducing maintenance needs in Austin's sunny climate. Enhanced security features. Double-hung windows also offer strong security benefits. Modern versions include reinforced frames and secure locking systems that pull both sashes tightly together when closed. For added peace of mind, homeowners can opt for impact-resistant glass or upgraded hardware. These features improve both security and energy efficiency. Long-term energy savings. Drafty, outdated windows can lead to higher cooling costs, a common concern in Austin. Upgrading to energy-efficient double-hung windows helps minimize air leakage and heat transfer. Over time, homeowners may see lower monthly utility bills, reduced HVAC wear and tear. Improved indoor comfort. Energy-efficient windows are also attractive to potential buyers, increasing resale appeal. A balanced solution for Austin living. Double-hung windows offer a rare combination of functionality, style, and performance. Their flexible ventilation, strong insulation, low maintenance requirements, and timeless appearance make them a practical upgrade for Austin homes. Whether you're replacing aging windows or building new, double-hung windows provide dependable comfort and versatility that stand up to Austin's climate, while enhancing the beauty and value of your home for years to come.